1. Computer, an outsketch. Computer is an electronic device which accepts data and instructions, stores in its memory, processes the data, and gives out the result. The name computer is derived from the Latin word compu, which means to calculate or manipulate. Computer device. An electronic instrument which can be connected to the computer and worked through the computer is called a computer device. Monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, speakers, printer, scanner are some of the computer devices. These computer devices can be grouped into three. They are 1. Input devices, 2. System unit, 3. Output devices. 1. Input devices. The data sent to the computer is called as input. The devices used for this purpose are called input devices. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, and joystick are some of the important input devices. Keyboard. To write anything on a computer screen, we use the keyboard. A keyboard is a flat rectangular board having more than 100 small buttons on it. They are called keys. The keyboard is used to type alphabets, numbers, and other special characters and to give instruction to the computer. Mouse. It is also an input device with two buttons on the top left and right. It also has a ball at the bottom. The mouse is used to move the pointer on the computer screen. It is also used to draw pictures on the computer. Scanner. With the help of the scanner, we can input alphabets, letters, and images into the computer. Joystick. A joystick is a pointing device. It has a lever and two or more buttons that allow the lever to move in all directions. Joystick is used for playing games. 2. System unit. Once the data and instructions are received from the input devices, they are stored and processed in the system unit. It is also known as the computer cabinet. It has an on or off and reset button, a CD-ROM disk drive, and a USB drive. This is commonly known as CPU. A computer cabinet has a motherboard inside it, which holds and connects all the important components inside the computer. Some of the important components on the motherboard are CPU, memory, storage devices, etc. Central Processing Unit (CPU). CPU is used for processing and storing data in the computer. That is why it is called the heart and brain of the computer. It is the main part of the system unit. CPU has mainly two parts. They are 1. Arithmetic Logic Unit (ALU), 2. Control Unit (CU). Memory. There is a memory chip on the motherboard of a computer. This memory chip comprises of 1. Random Access Memory (RAM). 2. Read-only memory ROM. Storage devices. These devices are used to store data. The storage devices on a computer cabinet are hard disk, CD-ROM, and USB. 3. Output devices. Devices that help in getting the processed information from the computer are called output devices. The output may be in the form of voice, picture, or text. Depending on the type of output required, we can use various types of devices such as monitor to view the picture or text, speaker to hear the voice messages or music, and printer to get the final printout for our use. Features of computers. The computer is a wonderful machine. It can do many things in no time. Computers help us to type letters and make greeting cards, help us to do calculations, are used to draw and color pictures, also play cartoons and movies, help us to listen to music and sounds. A computer possesses the following four special features. 1. Speed. The computer works very fast as it can do a number of calculations in a second. 2. Accuracy. The computer never makes errors. It always gives the output correctly. 3. Storage capacity. Memory power. The computer can remember and store a lot of things. 4. Untiring capacity. The computer can do many things, but it can never get tired and can work for many hours. Although the computer is very powerful, it cannot work without our help. It cannot think and take decisions on its own.